For that big night out, take a little time to create the ultimate updo with the aid of combs, pins, and sprays. With one basic technique, we will show you two beautiful styles. However, the possibilities are endless when you get creative.
These are the supplies and tools you may need. Use the ones that work for you as you practice and learn to create these hairstyles. Combs, clips, brushes, bobby pins and hairpins, rubber bands that are for hair only, pomade, and hairspray products. A curling iron and accessories for the hair are optional. For the low formal updo, start with dry brushed hair. From the face, establish a part going from the face toward the top of the head. Start at the top of the head, comb down to the back of each ear. Now you will need to part the back section of the hair. Take a 1-inch wide section from the top portion of the head. Hold the hair up and tease or push it toward the scalp. Lift the hair in the crown area with a metal pick to establish more volume and height. Drop teased hair over the back of the head and lightly smooth out the top layer that is left over. The teased hair gives the top layer height. Use the metal part of the comb to slide through your hair to smooth the top layer. This will leave the teasing and volume you created. Lift the hair in the crown area with the metal part of the comb to establish more volume and height. Making sure all the hair is smooth around the face, create a low ponytail, securing it with a rubber band that is made for hair. Now we are going to take the ponytail and divide it into small sections to create curls. For shiny curls, use a pomade and pull it through the end of the curls. Putting some on the back of your hand will allow you to have easy access to it whenever you need it. In this segment, we are going to show you how to create this look without the use of a curling iron. With each new section, loop and then anchor each looped section to the base of the head with bobby pins. You may need to anchor a section twice, depending on the length or thickness of the hair. Randomly place the loops. The options are endless. Once you are finished placing all the sectioned hair, generously spray with an extra hold hairspray to keep it looking great. Add any final touches with accessories or flowers. There you have a stunning, simple but elegant, formal updo. Starting with clean, blown-dried hair, comb it smooth. Start at the top of the head and comb down to the back of the ear. Clip the front section flat and smooth. Repeat on the other side. Using some pomade, rub it into your hands, then run your hands through the hair. This will help smooth any flyaways. Now take the back section of the hair and pull it into a high ponytail, making sure the hair is smooth all around the head and securing it with a rubber band. Take a small section from the back bottom portion of the ponytail. Wrap that section around the elastic band of the ponytail. Secure the end with a bobby pin and tuck it into the base of the ponytail. Take sections from the ponytail, spray with thermal active spray or hairspray, and curl with a curling iron. You can use pomade again to smooth and shine the curls before you pin them. Take the curled sections and secure each loop to the head with a bobby pin. When you are putting in the bobby pins, make sure that you attach the loose section of hair to the hair at the scalp of the head. Depending on the length of the hair, you may need to secure each section that you curl 1 to 4 times. Continue spraying, curling, looping, and securing until the ponytailed section is complete. Now work on the hair that you clipped off in front. Remove the front clips. Determine where you want the part on the top of the head. Take the top section of one side and split the hair diagonally toward the back. Secure the section, then curl, loop, then secure the end. Now repeat on the other side. Continue until all front sections have been worked in and all hair is completely pulled back, curled, and secured. You can curl the bangs and arrange them in any way you like. Spray all over with a firm holding hairspray, then a shine spray. You can add a final decoration and then enjoy your formal updo.